at the John Deere Tractor and Engine Museum in Waterloo, Iowa. Right behind me is a Waterloo boy, and off to my left is a little gas engine, Waterloo, and then a Vanderroot, another engine. And I'm in the theater area right now, and they just got done with the show, and I'm going to see what I can find in the museum. Here's a Model N tractor that's in the theater area. It's a later one with automotive steering on it. Fixed up really nice. Here's a 25 Spoker D, just like the one I'm trying to build. It's got the 24-inch flywheel on it. The early extension wheels on them, without the outside ribs. It's got the exhaust extension on it. That was an accessory. Here's another Waterloo boy. It says a 1918 on this one. It's a chain steer Model N. This one's got the serial number on the engine cover. Tractors they have in the showroom. There's a 4010, 4030, 4440, the wide tread, and then a 630 LP, and a little A here with round spokes, original. There's an industrial B, a W unit, and an R. And 530. Moving down, it's got some of the modern engines. A little B on round spokes. Looks like maybe a 4020 back there with a cab, and then 4020 probably in the process of being built back in the day. Here's another neat little tractor. It's over the top steer GP wide tread with original wheels, correct wheels. The hood's a little rusty. It's got quite a bit of paint on the rest of it, however. It's a 1932, and the steering bracket isn't even broke on it. It's got the correct rear wheels. Like I said, the hood is a little rusty. Nice example of a top steer wide tread. So here as we walk into the tractor museum, we have one of the first Ds produced, 1924, and then a streeter D that was one of the last produced, that was built out on the street with parts left over from production. If it would be this is about 500 and some serial number produced. I don't know if you can see the number there, but it's probably a mid-24. And then the Streeter D, if you can see the serial tag. Came from the rice fields in Arkansas. So that wraps up the visit to the museum in Waterloo, Iowa. See you in the next video, and we'll see you down the road. Thanks for viewing.